here. I want to build a Swedish ladder or stall bars, and I've only got about an hour of sunlight left, so I'm going to try to make all my cuts before that. Should be a pretty straightforward project. These are 1.5-inch poplar dowels, and it took me like 2 hours to scour all the lows in the valley. Hopefully I have enough. Oh. I got that one to cut that one, got that one to cut. Then I basically need to do that with 3 more boards, so I don't think I need to bother with filming that. I'll just do that real quick. See you in a second. Alright, as you can see, I'm losing sunlight, but basically I'm gonna use this Forstner bit. So I'm gonna go like bam, 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 like 8 or 9 times. Huh? Huh? Oh wow. Like a glove. Okay, oops. Okay, I just have like 19 more of those to do. It's gonna be great. Alright, cut out all the circles. I'm basically just going to double these up like this. And then I'll do the same thing with the other side, and the dowels will only go in up until that next pole. Okay. Okay. see how this goes. Okay. I need to. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Oh, man. Rotate it. Rotate it. Wow. There's not much space. I need some room for this. Oh. Oh. Wow. All right. Move it. Oh. Long screws. Yes, that all seems fine, doesn't it? Until try to put it on that one. Pretty locked in there. Okay, I see. Took a little bit off. All close-ish. Okay, better work this time. Come on. Come on, bro. Okay. Oh, Malanta. Okay, come on, this time. Oh, come on. Okay, come on. Okay, well, that works. Nice. Yay. Okay. That's where I got so far. I can put all my weight on it right there. So I'm gonna put one more brace here in the middle. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. Now I just need to make a second one. Ta-da. Nice. Okay, sweet. Oh, jeez. Okay, now I just need to put a couple crossbars up top, and we'll be good. Ta-da! It's done. Close grip pull-ups. You got your wide grip pull-ups. You got dips. What else can we do? Oh gosh. Wow. Wow. Oh. Wow.